start moonflowers from seed, here's a package of seeds, and here's a heat mat that will keep the seed tray up to 70 degrees. And it's on a sunny windowsill. And these here I'm using are Jiffy 7 pellets that have already been expanded. And I just poke a hole in them with a pencil and then push the seeds into those holes. And then keep them moist until they germinate and cover them. And here's the seedlings that I grew there in the windowsill. And I'm planting them in this bed that I made and tied strings to the top. So I'm just planting I like the Jiffy 7 pellets so they don't have to disturb the roots very much. And just water them well. And here we are at dusk, just after they've opened. They open at dusk and close in the morning, and they are visited by nocturnal insects like moths, and they're about as big as your hand, and they smell so good, up to 6 inches across, and the vines can grow up to 15 feet tall. And here's some in different years. I started in the front yard. I think they did better out here because they like full sun and nice, fertile, well-drained soil. They are native to tropical parts of America, and you can grow them as annuals in other parts.